Hey guys, I'm Satorio Phil. Welcome back to my channel. I have an unboxing for you. This one I actually got, I think it's been almost 2 months now. This is when it was first released. The pre-drop, I guess, of the Giambattista Valli collaboration with H&M. The full collection is going to release later this year. And it actually comes in a box even though it's one piece. So I'm wondering if you got a accessory, does it come in a box like this as well? And I had this tailored, which is why I didn't unbox it yet. And so this is the organza shirt. This is the long sleeve one. So it's the embroidered long sleeve organza shirt. So it has the band collar. And it's not silk organza. I'll show you the material tag, but it is embroidered with the thread. I believe these are Lily of the Valley, which is actually what Dior Homme uses, or what Chris Van Ash introduced as one of the lapel decorations or lapel pins. So it's just the embroidery all over the shirt, but some are slightly different. There's probably maybe 3 or 4 different designs, and then they repeat throughout, but they're all the same flower. And this is sheer, as you would expect. So this is the tag. It's in the same material as the shirt, so it's organza as well. I was only able to get in a size medium because every single size sold out. And this is made in China. So I actually got this tailored a bit. I got it brought in and I got the sleeve shortened. And this is washable. It's 100% polyester, including the embroidery is also polyester. If you saw my video for the Dior Homme shirt, which is also sheer, the material is completely different and the feel is completely different as well. And I'm going to show you what this looks like on, but because I had to get a bigger size, and you can only kind of modify it so much without either spending a fortune or before the proportions don't look right anymore. For me, it didn't work as well as a shirt I would wear under a suit, just because there's so much gathering, because this is a really stiff fabric. It doesn't like to fold that well. So when you wear a jacket over it, it tends to want to bunch up in the middle, and that's not really a good look. So it's a barrel cuff, and I had it shortened on this side, on the cuff side, because it's a lot less expensive than shortening on the shoulder, which is what professional tailors would do. However, this one, the price of this shirt is $99, and I didn't want to spend more than the shirt to tailor it. That seems pretty silly, especially since this isn't exactly a high-end shirt. I don't think the darts existed in the original one, but because I needed it to be taken in, that's what the tailor added in the back. I don't really mind it because it speaks to tailoring, but I think if I did want to spend more on this to tailor it closer to my body, I would have the sides recut along with the sleeves, because the sleeves are also kind of poofy. Like, it's pretty, because it's a medium size and it's not a slim fit, the sleeves are a bit baggy, even though they're shortened. This did come with a tag, but I forgot where I put it. I can't find it while I was filming this video, but it's the same material as this as well. It's just a longer product tag, but it's the same organza material. I think they made it look really great in the editorial photos, but pairing this is a little bit tougher because how stiff it is mainly. And this one, because there's not as much distractions with the embroidery, it is quite see-through, unlike the Dior t-shirt. So you're most likely gonna wanna somehow pair this with something underneath it, whether it's a tank top, a t-shirt. I thought maybe a polo might be interesting because I can have the collar peek out of this band collar, so it would fold over. But I don't think I'm gonna be wearing this one tucked in just because it's gonna bunch too much and not gonna be a good look. So I'm probably gonna wear it more of a casual style. It's not the most comfortable because all of the seams scratch you a bit. And that's also another thing why you probably don't want to wear this without an undershirt or something underneath it. And that's my video. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Check out my Instagram for the latest updates and exclusive content, and that's where I'll be posting more pictures of this. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.